I think cooking has an incredible way of bringing us memories. Every little kid grew up baking chocolate chip cookies with their mom in the kitchen. And then you taste something like that somewhere else and it instantly takes you back. There's so few things that can do that. I think it's just a small way to kind of brighten up people's lives. I chose Francis Tuttle because the teachers really care. We're held to very high standards, and that kind of puts you in the mindset of walking into the kitchen with your head held high.
The chefs are very professional in how they treat us. They always help you if you need help.
They take the time to invest in you and make sure you become the best version of yourself.
We get our instructions from our chef and our recipes, and we just kind of go at it.
Throughout the different classes, we learned first basics like knife skills, stock, soups, sauces, all of that.
And then you move on to skills 2, which is butchering. So how to get steaks out of whole cuts of meat.
My personal favorite was bakery. I love the idea of artisan breads and pastries. It was just incredible. We got to experiment. If I said, oh, I love making this bread, the instructor would let me do it. He lets you kind of gear what you're making toward what you're passionate about and helps you grow that passion.
I think that Francis Tuttle has set me up for success.
The facility at Francis Tuttle, I think, it's just incredible.
I think that anywhere that you go, you would be able to recognize the equipment and use it all.
Over and over again, my chef told me, work on precision, make sure you get your product right, speed will come later. And then by the end of the program, I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm doing something I never thought I could do. I'm going so much faster than I ever thought was possible.
The program here at Francis Tuttle allows you to go in and basically be a chef anywhere above entry level. You could work on a cruise ship or at a restaurant somewhere in the city.
There are limitless possibilities.
I think I would thank Francis Tuttle just for encouraging me and giving me confidence.
I'd love to have the impact that my instructors had on me on someone else. I'd love to make someone realize why they love what they're doing and how amazing cooking is.